The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Roll it! Okay, by now we are familiar with a dart. These are the legs of the dart, vanishing point, apex. When we stitch the legs closed, we end up with a dart. But if we only fold the fabric over like this and stitch only in the seam, like this for example, this is a pleat. So I have not sewn the legs together, I've left it open. This is a pleat. I've only sewn right here. And if I only sew down to a certain point, let's say I only sew the legs to a certain point like here, this is known as a tuck. So a dart, a pleat, and a tuck is drafted the same way, but it's how it is sewn that determines if it's a dart or a pleat or a tuck. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.